Hello, my name's Claire Braund and I'm the Executive Director of Women on Boards. I'm inviting you to take a look at our new personal career management program. This is refreshed from our very successful Women in Leadership series. Personal career management really focuses in on your plan on a page, helping you with the tools and support and really practical skills and strategies to make the plan come alive. We've distilled it into a hybrid. So one day, face-to-face, where you get to meet all of your key presenters and your fellow participants, and 4 online or virtual sessions. Personal career management is exactly as it sounds. You taking personal control for the management of your career. And you can do it at any stage, whether you're early and looking to really develop a pathway through to management or leadership roles, whether you're in middle management and you're stuck and you can't find a way out, or whether in fact you're more senior and you're thinking, how do I track a pathway through to the boardroom? Personal career management and your plan on a page will work for you, whatever age or whatever stage you're at. It comes with a 1-hour personal mentoring session where you're connected, a member of the WOB mentor panel who can really help you drill into where you're at and start to think about and achieve where you want to be. The program's got a fantastic suite of tools, tips, strategies, brilliant lineup of presenters. Starts in April 2022 and runs through to the end of May. If you'd like to have a look at it, jump onto our website or give me a call on 0409 981 781. I'm really happy to talk through the program. One more thing, the face-to-face day is being held in Sydney. But if you're in one of those other states and you don't want to fly to Sydney, we're offering the option for you to have that day live streamed. So why not grab a couple of colleagues and do it in a group? Of course, we'd love to see you face to face, but if that's not possible, then let's make it work for you. So personal career management, something for everyone and something to really get your teeth into and get you started in 2022. Thank you.